Assalamualaikum students, open your science workbook, worksheet number 13, materials, unit number 2, materials from the earth. All the materials are found in the earth. Draw a line joining the description to the material used. Draw another line from the used to the picture. Here you can say some hints or qualities are given, uses are given, and the name of the material is also given, and we have to make according to it. First is done for you, they done it. Third, strictly squashed, used to make brick, and it is clay. Okay, now we will do number one. Number one is black, hard, dirty, used for fire, and it is coal. White, hard, smooth. White, hard, and smooth. Used for statue, and it is marble. And third is done, and we will do fourth. Hard, red or yellow, and used for building, and it is it can be clay. And white or soft. White or soft is mix for school board, and it is chalk. And next is clear and shiny, very expensive, and used for jewelry, and it is diamond. Next is a unit or worksheet number 14, scratch testing. Asad was testing rocks. He wanted to find which rock was the hardest one. There are his results. He put 3 rocks in front of them, and he put the observation related to that. Rock number 1 is he put cross on number 1 observation, and yes for 2. That it is not very hard, but it is hard. It is not very hard. It is very hard and hard. And number 2 is no, and put cross, and then yes. It is not very hard, not very hard, but it is a little bit hard. And next he put observation number 3 for rock 3, no, and put cross. Which number rock was the hardest one? Rock number 1. And which number rock was the softest one? 3 number rock. And rock number 1 was the granite. Rock number 2 was the soapstone, and rock number 3 was clay. Okay, this was the observation that granite is very hard, not very hard, but it is very hard, and it is used to make the building interior or exterior finishing. And soapstone is that is not very hard, but it is a little bit hard. And clay is soft. And then he asked that write the name of rocks in order. Hardest one, granite you will first in first blank, then soapstone, then clay. And how many of these rocks would a diamond scratch? All the rocks can be scratched with the help of diamond. Then we will do worksheet number 15, matching materials. Match the material with where it comes from and what it is made into. For example, sheep is used for ball of wool, and we make ball of wool from the wool of sheep, and it is used to make a woolen jumper. Tea plant, tea bags are made, and it is used to make a cup of tea. And duck's feathers, we get a feather from duck, and it is used to make the pillow. Match duck with feather and then with pillow. And here is a plant of wheat. Plant of wheat is used to make flour, and flour is used to make bread. Then here is a cow. Cow is used to make milk, or cow gives us milk, and milk is used to make the butter. Then here is sand, and with the help of sand we make glass, and with the glass we make a glass bottle. And then cotton plant is used to make cotton thread, and then we make t-shirts. Worksheet number 16 is natural or artificial. How many different materials can you name? Make two lists. The pictures will help you. Here is a picture of a nylon, a bag, a sheep, a cup, a car, a tube or a tire, or a shirt, or a test tube. I think it is a test tube. Okay, ji. Natural materials are the materials that are given by the nature. From the nature we find it. These are the gifts of God. And artificial materials are the man-made materials that are made by human being. First is nylon given, that is artificial, and wood is given, that is natural. And here is a bag. Bag is artificial material. Cow or sheep, that is cow, I think. Cow is natural material, and cup is artificial material, car is artificial material, tube or tire is artificial material, shirt is artificial material, and this test tube is artificial material. Then we will do worksheet number 17. Will it change? Here is a material, name of materials are given, and we are going to find out that here is a name of material is elastic band. Will it bend? Yes. Will it stretch? Yes. Will it twist? Yes. In all the three columns you will provide yes. And plasticine, will it bend? Yes. Will it stretch? Yes. It can stretch to a little bit. And will it twist? Yes, it can be twisted. Aluminium foil, will it bend? Yes. Will it stretch? No. Will it twist? Yes. And cookies dough, will it bend? Yes. Will it stretch? To some extent it stretches. And will it twist? Yes, it is twisted. In all the three columns you will provide yes. Next is worksheet number 17, marvelous mixture. Write the recipe for the chocolate crispy cake. Here ingredients, you have to take the cocoa powder, you have to take flour, milk, egg, vanilla essence, sugar, okay, and some butter. And method is first you will take the milk and put flour in it, and flour, sugar, and cocoa powder and eggs in it, and mix it very well. Add some then add some vanilla essence and baking powder in it, and then bake in the cooking range or in the oven. And then draw the picture of your cake and decorate it very well according to your imagination of your birthday cake. Worksheet number 19 is dissolving substances. Amna and Khalifa are investigating. They want to find out which substance dissolves in water. Can you help them? Salt, disappearing after stirring and clear. Salt, take tang, disappearing after stirring and clear. Then sugar, disappearing after stirring and clear. Then take some Take some washing powder, dissolved, disappearing after stirring, and unclear water. Put flour, stir, and it will unclear water you will get. And take some you can say any type of powder of we can say the powder of salt we studied, then yes, tea, tea powder. You can take tea powder, stir in it, but it will not dissolve in water, and it will be the tea leaves or the tea will you can say will float on the surface of the water. Next, we will study worksheet number 20, unit number 2 assessment. You can easily squeeze or squash these material, write true or false. Rubber, true. Wood, false. Plastic, false. But plastic bags are true. Remember this thing. And metal, false. Stone, false. Brick, false. Wool, true. Next is join the material to where it comes from. Leather. Leather comes from the cow. Coal come from the ground, and wool come from the sheep. Wood come from the trees, and glass come from the sand, and cotton come from the cotton plant. Next, question number 3 is choose what happens when you warm these things, and circle the word. Dough cooks, chocolate melts, clay hardens, wax melts, ice melts. And write one of the use of granite. Granite is a stone that is used to do the exterior or interior decor of the building. Okay, and next we will study unit number 3. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.